Hi English lovers, welcome to my channel. How are you? I hope you gonna be okay. Today kita akan membahas tentang tenses. Seperti yang kita tahu, tenses dibagi menjadi 16 macam yang terdiri dari present tense, past tense, future tense, dan past future tense. But sebelum memulai video, jangan lupa untuk like dan subscribe terlebih dahulu ya. Yang pertama yakni simple present. Rumus subject plus verb 1 SES. Jika subjeknya I, you, we, they, maka verb 1 tanpa SES. Jika subjeknya she, he, it, nama orang tunggal, menggunakan verb 1 ditambah dengan SES. For example, I go to school every day. She goes to school every day. Dengan time signal always, seldom, usually, never, sometimes, often, and every. Yang kedua yakni present continuous. Subject is the power verb ing. Jika I to-be-nya am, you, we, they to-be-nya are, she, he, it to-be-nya is. Contoh, I am speaking English now. They are standing there. Dengan time signal now, at present, still, at this moment, look, right now. Yang ketiga, present perfect. Subject have has verb 3. I, you, we, they menggunakan have. She, it, nama orang tunggal menggunakan has. For example, I have spoken English. Speak, spoke, spoken. Verb 3 dari speak. He has already seen the movie. She saw seen. Verb 3 dari see. Dengan time signal already, since, just, and for. Yang keempat, present perfect continuous. Subject have has been. Verb ing. I, you, we, they menggunakan have been. She, it, nama orang tunggal menggunakan has been. Example, I have been studying English for a month. We have been sitting here for 2 hours. Dengan time signal for, since, and how long. 5. Simple past. Subject plus verb 2. I watched movie last night. Watch, watched, watch. Verb 2 dari watch. Rina ate cake yesterday. Eat, ate, eaten. Ate, verb 2 dari ate. Time signal yesterday, 2 days ago. Last seperti last day, last week, this morning, once upon a time, a long time ago. 6. Past continuous. Subject was verb ing. They were waiting for me when I did my diet yesterday. 2 lions were catching mice while a cat was running. Time signal at 5 o'clock yesterday. At the same time, past continuous plus when simple past plus while past continuous, dan past continuous plus while past continuous. 7. Past perfect. Subject had verb 3. I had seen you before you went. See, saw, seen. Verb 3 dari see. John had come to my home last night. Come, came. Verb 3 dari come. Time signal past perfect plus before simple past. Past perfect plus when simple past plus after past perfect, dan by the end of last month. 8. Past perfect continuous. Subject had been verb ing. We had been listening music when it started to rain. Mary had been sleeping with her sister for an hour. Time signal for plus period of time plus before plus simple past. For period of time when simple past. 9. Simple future. Subject will, shall, verb 1. Will digunakan untuk all subject, sedangkan shall digunakan untuk I and we. Example, I will go to Lombok tomorrow. My brother will fly to Bali tonight. Time signal tomorrow, soon, next seperti next day, next week, tonight, and later. 10. Future continuous. Subject will be verb ing. We will be building house at the moment next week. My sister will be accompanying me to go to market at this time next week. Time signal at the same time tomorrow. At this time next week. 11. Future perfect. Subject will, shall have verb 3. I will have finished my homework by the time she cooks rice tonight. My mother will have cooking fried rice by 6 o'clock tomorrow. Time signal by and by 6 o'clock tomorrow. 12. Future perfect continuous. Subject will, shall have been verb ing. Emma will have been living in the new house for 2 months by the time I go there. My father will have been watching TV for an hour when Rian studies lesson tonight. Time signal for plus period of time. 13. Past future. Subject would should verb 1. Would digunakan untuk all subject, sedangkan should digunakan untuk I and we. Example, I will think you last night. We should speak English yesterday. Time signal, yesterday, someday, last, blah 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 ago, one day, once upon time. 14. Past future continuous. Subject will should be verb in. My brother will be watching movie in the bioscope at 7 p.m. last night. Diana will be shopping in the market on Monday last week. Time signal at 7 o'clock yesterday, on Monday last week, by this time yesterday, by 5 last Monday. 15. Past future perfect. Subject will should have verb 3. I should have played a doll with my friend yesterday. My sister would have gone to Surabaya this morning. Time signal, last month, yesterday morning, yesterday, this morning. And the last is past future perfect continuous. Subject will should have been verb in. For example, Tiara would have been staying in Aston Resort for 5 days last month. Andy would have been studying in America for 3 months a year ago. Dengan time signal, for plus period of time plus by blah blah blah, for plus period of time plus last blah blah blah, and for plus period of time plus blah 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 go. Okay, that's all about 16 kinds of tenses. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and see you!